Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can share your Google Calendar with someone else. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just open your Google Calendar and just right here from my calendars you need to choose the one which you wanna share with people. This is the one in my case, so just next to that we have three dots. Click on that, click on settings and sharing, and just right here we need to scroll till we saw the option something like shared with. So just click on add people and groups here. So right here we need to enter the email address of the person with whom we're gonna share this calendar. Then here we have the option for permissions. So if you expand that, if you wanna allow people to see all event details but not make any changes, then you can select this option. But if you wanna allow people to make changes and allow them to share your calendar with anybody, then you can go with this option. It's up to you, whichever you like, you can just choose that. For the sake of this video, I'll just proceed with this one. Click on send. This is the email account of the person with whom we have shared the calendar. So he just gonna receive the email like this, and in order to add the calendar on his Google Calendar, he just need to click on open calendar, and once he do that, he gonna see that the calendar is successfully added on his Google Calendar. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can share your Google Calendar with someone else. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.